Hello my friends and elders, how are you all? I hope all are doing great. And today's topic is about the principle of homogeneity from class 11. Today is the fourth lecture of our unit measurement and today we will know about the principle of homogeneity. This is from about the dimension analysis. So what is the principle of homogeneity? Homogeneity, what is the homo? Homo means same. Okay, means the dimension of a equation, the dimension of each terms in an equation. Suppose I will take equation x is equals to ut plus half at square. This is one term and this is another term. Thus the dimension of the two terms are equal. The dimension of the two terms are equal. The dimension of the two terms. So the dimension of two terms in an equation must be same. Now we will find that this is a term ut. U is the velocity. Here u is the velocity and t is the time. So what is the dimension of velocity? Displacement divided by time is known as velocity into time. So what the time से time मर जाएगा. Then what we will find? Only the displacement, and displacement representing the length, so we can write as L. So the dimension of this part of this equation is L and another part is at square. Okay, so what we will do here, A is the acceleration, means the rate of change of velocity, means velocity upon time into time square. So here what is the velocity? Same thing, length by time, या displacement by time. Time by time. Okay, displacement by time into time square. Time square by 1. अगर मैं इस टाइम को नीचे ले आता हूं तो यू कैन फाइंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट इनटू टाइम स्क्वायर बाय टाइम से टाइम कैंसिल एंड यू कैन फाइंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिप्रेजेंटिंग द लेंथ. सो ये दोनों जो है हमारा ut मतलब एक पार्ट, at स्क्वायर मतलब दूसरा पार्ट, ये दोनों पार्ट का जो डायमेंशन है वो सेम होगा. दिस इज टॉक अबाउट द होमोजेनिटी, मीन्स द डायमेंशन ऑफ ईच टर्म ऑफ एन इक्वेशन, मीन्स द डायमेंशन ऑफ, मतलब ये वाला एक डायमेंशन और ये एक डायमेंशन, ये दोनों पार्ट है, एक यूटी पार्ट है, एक एटी स्क्वायर पार्ट है. ये दोनों जो हमारा पार्ट है, इस दोनों पार्ट के जो डायमेंशन है ये सेम है. मीन्स द डायमेंशन ऑफ ईच पार्ट इन अ इक्वेशन मस्ट बी सेम. So now we will do some illustrations about this. Now we will find the dimension. The dimension of A and B in the equation. In the equation of V is equals to A plus V is equals to A plus bt. Here v is the velocity and here the t is the time. T is the time. ठीक है. Suppose here I will take example. हमारे पास 2 सेकंड का एक टाइम है, उससे मैं क्या kg को जोड़ सकता हूं, मतलब यूनिट और डायमेंशन अलग है, उसको मैं नहीं जोड़ सकता अकॉर्डिंग टू होमोजेनिटी. डायमेंशन एनालिसिस का एक पार्ट है. डायमेंशन अगर एक इक्वेशन में होंगे, दो डायमेंशन सेम होंगे, दो पार्ट होंगे, उसका डायमेंशन जो है सेम होगा. 2s plus 4 की हम नहीं कर सकते. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? अब क्या होगा, अगर 2 सेकंड के साथ हम 2 सेकंड करेंगे तो ये कर सकता है, बिकॉज सेकंड का जो हमारा डायमेंशन है t है, इसका भी t है, मतलब दोनों ईच पार्ट का डायमेंशन सेम है. लेकिन इसका जो डायमेंशन है वो होगा t और इसका जो डायमेंशन है वो है m। सो ये दोनों सेम नहीं है अकॉर्डिंग टू होमोजेनिटी। सो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, इज इट राइट एंड इज इट रॉन्ग। सो हम देखेंगे इसके अंदर a और वैल्यू का डायमेंशन क्या है। द डायमेंशन ऑफ a एंड b, द इक्वेशन ऑफ v इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस bt। अब हम ये सारे टर्म्स को इधर लेके आएंगे, मीन्स v माइनस a माइनस बी टी इज इक्वल्स टू 0। ठीक है, नाउ वी कैन फाइंड अबाउट द b। अब क्या है v, क्या है, व्हाट इज द a, ये एक टर्म है, ये एक टर्म है, ये एक टर्म है। इसका जो डायमेंशन है वो इसका भी डायमेंशन हो और इसका भी डायमेंशन है। सो a का डायमेंशन है v मतलब हमारे बोला गया है वेलोसिटी। अब वेलोसिटी मीन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम। सो इज द l by t is the lt to the power minus 1. Is it clear to all? Now we can find the bt. b into t is equals to lt to the power minus 1. So we can find the b is equals to, we can find the b is equals to L to the power minus 1 by t. So you can find b is equals to L t to the power minus 2. So this is the dimension of, this is the dimension of a and this is the dimension of b. So you can write as the dimension of a is L t to the power minus 1, means L1 to the power minus 1, M0 we can write as M0 L1 to the power minus 1, and the dimension of B is equals to L to the power minus 2. So we will use M0 L1 to the power minus 2. Is it clear to all? सबको ये बात चमकीला है? Now let's move on to the another type question. We will find the dimension of a, b, c, d, e in this equation. X is equals to a plus bt plus ct square plus dt cube by e plus t. Now you can find the a, b, c, d, e. There are 4 terms. One is the a, one is the bt, one is the ct square, and another is the dt cube by e plus t. So now we will find, use x minus a minus bt minus ct square minus dt cube by e plus t is equals to 0. This term, this term, this term and this term and this term, ये जो हमारे पास 1 2 3 4 5 टर्म है, ये सब का डायमेंशन बराबर होना चाहिए. So we can find the dimension of x, the dimension of a. The dimension of a is the equals to dimension of x. X means the a is equals to L to the power 1, means the dimension of a is the L to the power 1. Now bt. Now you can find the dimension of bt, b into t. So we can find b into t is equals to L1. So we can find b into t is equals to L1. So we can find the b is equals to L to the power minus 1, means L1 to the power minus 1. That's the dimension of b, and that is the dimension of a. Now we find the dimension of c. This is the ct square. Okay, here I will find the c, means the ct square is equals to L. Here c into t square is equals to L. So you can find c is equals to L by t square. C is equals to L t to the power minus 2. Now we will find the dimension of d. Here the equation dt cube, means the dt cube is equals to L. D is equals to L t to the power minus 3. This is not the dimension of t. D means if you will be doing this kind of things with dt square, dt cube, since this is not right, so we can find the right dimension. The dimension of D. The dimension of E with the respect of t, so we can find the dimension of E is equals to dimension of t, so we can find E is equals to t. Is it clear to all? This is the dimension of E. Now we'll find the dimension of dt cube, this term dt cube by E plus t. Here that I will find the dimension of E is equals to the dimension of t because of this. Okay, so now we will find the dimension of D. Means what am I find? This term is t. The dimension of this term, जो हमारा नीचे का जो टर्म है, ये टोटल टर्म E प्लस टी का डायमेंशन है t. ऊपर का होगा d इंटू टी का क्यूब बाई t. So we can find d into t का square. So now what is the d into t ka square? We can write as d into t square is equals to length. That we will do in every place. Now we will find that d is equals to L t to the power minus 2. This dimension are equal. This is the t, this is the L. So you can write the dimension of A is the L, the dimension of B is the L1 t to the power minus 1. Means L to the power 1 t to the power minus 1. The C is the L t to the power minus 2. You can write as L1 t to the power minus 2. The D we can write as L t to the power minus 2, yeah, L1 t to the power minus 2. And the E is the power of the dimension of E is T. Is it clear to all? I hope all of you enjoying the video. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't travel, man. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Stay motivated. And thank you for watching this video.